Hey, dirty, what? Look at that girl right there. She make me say, boom, boom.
Can you stop with all the subs? Sister ain't Jared. Like, you know what I mean? Do be aware that I will be blocking you, though. Like, if you come for me, I'm going to come for you, and then I'm going to block you. Guys, so, today, I figured why not come in and chit-chat with you a little bit, my lovies. Especially since, you know, it's a new year. And, yeah. This was definitely not supposed to be my first video back into the new year, but I don't know, I just felt compelled to talk about these things. So first things first, I'm going to put a orange shade into my, well, onto my brow bone / on my crease. But, hey everybody, how's everybody doing out there? It's Jay, all back up in the building. I hope you guys are having a good day, good night, good week, whatever is going on for you. I hope it's going super, super good. In 2018, this year, I want to take my YouTube channel a lot more seriously. Like, up until now, it's been something to do. It's been something to have fun with and something to play around with. But I do want to take it seriously, and I do want to help people. That is my main goal in life, is to help people. I mean, I started this channel to literally meet people and help people and get help myself from people. Sorry if y'all can hear that in the background. That's my fan, because, girl, it is hot. I do have 1, 2, 3, 4 lights in front of me, and I have on a sweater. So, yeah, now. But I noticed that as I tried to branch my channel out or change my channel around, let's just be real, okay? I'm just gonna give y'all some of my real personality. Like, I love to lip sync. Anybody that knows me knows I'm dramatic, girl, okay? I'm dramatic as hell, and I will drop it on a dime in a lip sync. But the thing is that if I was to do that on my channel, now I'm copying. You know what I mean? Now I'm trying to be Malibu Dollface. If I use certain words or say certain phrases, now I'm trying to copy Jaclyn Hill. If I shop at certain sites and wear an outfit in a certain type of way, now I'm trying to be like the Glam Twins or Ivy League Styles or, you know, just another channel. And it sucks because it's like, all I want to do is help people and branch on my channel and express other things that I am passionate about. Like, I went to school for fashion design. I love clothes. I love doing DIYs. I went to school for cosmetology, which, girl, it's a whole story time in itself. But you know what I mean? Like, I love hair. I love beauty. I love makeup. But it's like, the minute I try to bring it to my channel, which I don't even have a large platform, which that's the craziest part, I'm attacked and ambushed, and I'm told that I'm trying to be someone else or pretend to be someone else or do something else. Pretty much, I'm being generic. I'm not being myself. I'm not being authentic. I'm not being 100% Jay. I'm trying to conform or pretend to be someone else. When in actuality, nothing is authentic anymore. Nothing is authentic, okay, honey? Like, if I do a lip sync, trust me, how many times do you think lip syncs have been done years and years and years and years and years and years and years ago? How many lip syncs do you think have been done on RuPaul's Drag Race? Like, girl, bitch, come on, okay? I figured it might be nice if I brought you guys in a little bit closer. Y'all was a little far away. Should I be telling y'all what products I'm using? I ain't right, y'all. I'm sorry. It gets super frustrating, and sometimes it makes you literally not want to do YouTube when it's like, I get bashed, girl. Like, I get bashed, girl. Dragged through the mud. I mean, girl, they be grabbing me by my edges, girl, okay? They be snatching a bitch by her edges. Talking about, if I do one lip sync, I am acting like this person. If I do a vlog that is a certain type of way, I'm acting like that person. And it sucks because now I'm being called generic and I'm not being authentic when actually that is my authentic self. It's just unfortunately someone else beat me to the chase. Someone's already done it. And it sucks for so many other people, especially small YouTubers. Especially last year, I noticed, like, which isn't fair because we're all able to be our own person and be creative in our own right. It just sucks because y'all don't see it at all because I have to approve my comments. I have to approve certain words or things that are said on my channel. Of course, because I am transgendered and, you know, people feel a certain type of way about that as it already is. And then also, just because people feel like they're entitled to say whatever, which is true because I'm on YouTube. So, you know, I'm on a public platform. So, I mean, if you feel like you don't like this, you don't like how I'm penciling in my brows right now, you can do and say whatever you feel about that. But I also have the right to block it. You know what I mean? So last year I had to do a lot of damage control on my Instagram, on my YouTube comments, and do a lot of blocking and a lot of controlling of what was being said, as opposed to being people speaking freely. I had to kind of stop it because, like, if I did anything or said any word, it's like, oh, you got that from this person. Oh, you did that from this person. Oh, you're wearing this because so-and-so wear it on their Instagram. And it's like, damn, bitch. Maybe I'm just being me. Maybe this is my style, too. I don't know. It's just frustrating to be a small YouTuber because you're constantly being called generic. And it's hard when people are like, oh, be yourself, but also do something that stands out. Pretty much a sultry, smoky, sexy glam eye and fucking a wig. You know what I mean? Like, that is being myself. Doing a lip sync, dancing around, being goofy, like, that is me. But if I do those things, oh, now I'm trying to be outlandish, now I'm trying to get views, now I'm not being authentic, now I'm not being myself. When the thing is, no one really knows me because while I have this platform and while I may be transparent on some level, sorry y'all, let me try to pretend. I am using the Magic Collection Extra Coverage Concealer in the matte finish in the color Golden Tan to highlight my face really quickly. I have the right and the ability to show people what I want them to see. And what I don't want you to see, I just don't film, I take out, I edit, I delete, and nobody ever knows. I had a YouTube channel way, way, way back in the day, and YouTube was a completely different place. It was a place where everyone could come and be friendly to each other. I mean, don't get me wrong, I still got hate on it back then. But people were nicer. But that aside, all that to say, sorry, I'll try to condense that down because I feel like I just ramble a lot. All that to say, this year with my channel, I am so over seeing in my comment section that I am a copycat, that I am trying to be like this person, that I am trying to get more views, that I don't care, I'm fake, I'm a man, I'm ugly, I'm this, my voice sounds like that. Like, I'm not here for it this year, okay? X button is right there, girl. Like, goodbye. I'm not entertaining it this year. I don't have any patience anymore. Like, I have no time for it. Like, this year, I want to really elevate my channel to the next level, and I really, really, really want to work hard and deliver quality content for you guys. But I also want it to be things that I like doing. What? Oh, God. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Y'all see this? Oh, dear God. Dear God. Mayday. Mayday. Mission abort. Okay. Hold on, guys. I have to fix my nose. Have to damage control my nose. Helpful tip. If you get a whole bunch of concealer on the sides of your nose, which can make your nose look smaller, but you don't really want it all there, just use your powder brush and powder that down and away. Right. Now, whilst I bake at 425 degrees, ooh, girl, what are we doing? Get it together. Y'all, I'm sitting Indian style right now, and it is so comfortable. just so we're aware. If I want to put on a pink wig tomorrow and run around and scream at the top of my lungs, I can do that because I'm my own person. And I'm not trying to be someone else just because I decide to do that. You know what I mean? And if people find that entertaining, they find it entertaining. If they don't, they don't. Let me live my life. Let me live my dreams. I'm using my Black Radiance Pressed Foundation Powder in Cafe to bronze my face. This year, I just want to step my channel up. I want to bring you guys more of my real personality because I really am into, like, DIYs and doing things yourself, saving a coin, girl, okay? You know, I'm all about, you know, doing it on a budget, girl, doing it on a budget. I mean, I know negativity will come. It's just, so annoying. In all actuality, it's like, am I a copycat, or are you just not allowing any room in this industry? Because YouTube is an industry now. It's not really the same. Like, I still kind of look at it the same. You know what I mean? Because let's be real, a lot of people like to look at what they like to look at, and they don't want to give anybody else new a chance. Like, there are so many small YouTubers that I've seen that are so talented and so good in their own regard, and funny and hilarious and entertaining, but nobody really wants to give them a chance because everybody is so stuck on the bigger people, which is fine. I mean, they got there for a reason because they worked their ass off and they're very talented at what they do, but don't completely shut that door out for anybody else, because then that's not fair, because now you're saying pretty much like anything that anyone new or not one of the oldies does is copycatting or being generic, or we're trying it. Just know that if you see someone doing something, they're not copycatting. They're not stealing this from someone else. Like, they might be influenced, they might be inspired to do something by someone else, but trust and believe, they're not trying to be that person. I don't know, there's only so much you can do, and only so many ways that you can express yourself to people before people just don't believe it's true. So, yeah. I'm gonna go on ahead and apply liner and lashes really quick, and I'll be back. Back to our regular scheduled programming. I actually need to hurry up. But, yeah. I mean, I went on ahead and did my wing liner, popped on big lashes. Y'all know how I do. Okay? It's not just viewers, it's not just haters that are like, why is that being patchy? Girl! That are like, oh, you're trying to be like this or that person. Sometimes you feel that way yourself, like I know I do, because you simply are just like, damn, you know, if I do this, this is really, you know, reminiscent to what someone else is doing. But you have to remember that you're doing your own thing and you're expressing yourself in the way that you want to express yourself. Sometimes to grow, pretty much, you have to break away from everyone else and you have to kind of do your own thing. And if your thing just so happens to be the same as someone else's thing, guess what? It's still your thing. And don't be ashamed of it. Don't be ashamed to share it. If you like doing something, don't be ashamed to share it. Sorry if my light is changing. I have lights on, but I'm next to a window. You know what I mean? Be you. Be you and be great. Make your YouTube channel. Do your thing. Just don't be afraid, because for the longest time now, I've stopped myself from doing series on my channels, or on my channel, and doing certain things because it's pretty much exactly what this YouTuber does, or that YouTuber does, or this person does. And that's not fair to myself, that I'm not living and fulfilling my best dream because I'm letting hate or how someone else feels about something affect me. Because let me tell you something right now. What other people think of you does not matter. It does not matter. But sometimes when you have to hear it repeated and repeated and repeated, it gets annoying. And it does start to get into your brain, and I don't care what anyone says. People can sit up here all day and be like, oh, what people say doesn't affect me, blah, blah, blah. It does. At one point, the ish starts to affect you personally. And you kind of got to just break away from that and be like, I am my own person, and I'm going to do what I want to do. And if people don't like it, fuck them. You don't like them on the low. Yo Gotti said it best. I need a liner. I am so hungry right now. So hungry. It's not even a joke. Which is, I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip liner. Throw on L'Oreal Ferris Nude, which is completely almost gone. And I'm going to top it with Milani's Barely Nude, or something like that. And I will be right back. This is an everyday makeup look for me. Just simple, glowy, pretty. And yeah, I mean, basically all I want to say is be you. Like, if there's something that you like, do it. And, you know, if people don't like it, F them. Like, I love me a good piece of synthetic hair and a full quick weave. Okay, honey? And that's just me. And that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to continue to do it. And there are other people out there that still like it and still do it. And can relate with those things. There are people that can relate with how I do my makeup or how I dress or DIYs or things like that. So yeah, with that being said, in 2018, let's stop the negativity on small YouTubers. Like, can y'all give us a chance? Like, girl, like, hello? Can you give us a chance and can you stop with all the subs? Sister ain't Jared. Like, you know what I mean? Do be aware that I will be blocking you, though. Like, if you come for me, I'm going to come for you, and then I'm going to block you. You know what I mean? Because in 2018, we're not doing negativity. We're doing all greatness. Like, I want everyone to be great. Even if I don't really like you. Like, I want you to be great. You know what I mean? But anywho, y'all, I'm running low on time. I am hungry, so I'm about to go make a quick Caesar salad. Like, quick, girl. I am going to get my ish together because I gotta go out the door, and I'm gonna curl my bang. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. If you guys did like this sit down chit chat, get ready with me, kind of, I know it was all over the place, girl. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up or whatever. Also, Happy New Year. I know I'm super, super late to the game because 2018 is about, what, 9, 10, 7, 8, I don't know what day it is. It's deep in already. It's like 2 weeks in. But Happy New Year because this is my first video back. And also, just remember that I love you guys so, so, so much. If y'all feel it in your soul and you're compelled to, girl, go ahead and drop down there to that little red button and hit the subscribe button. I would love to see you come back because the content that is about to come out this year from me is fire. Okay, just know it might benefit you. And if you don't subscribe, I mean, I'm sprinkling shade on you, so it's fine. I mean, do what you want. I'm sprinkling shade on you, so do you, boo. Live your wildest dreams, like, you know what I mean? Like, do you. But I'm still shading you. And yeah, I'm just kidding. With that being said, I love you guys so, so, so much. Thank you guys for listening to me rant, chit chat, kind of do my makeup and struggle. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. And remember, you guys are all high society. Bye, guys.